Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go through what the most dangerous aspect of disability appeals, I guess, would be for the claims that I've handled or other attorneys handle. The most dangerous aspect of an appeal isn't the whole 65 days, it's 60 plus 5 day presumption for mailing. It's actually where a claimant will not receive, and the representative, a mailed notice that a denial occurred. And basically, if the, representative's, back office or front office doesn't keep communicating with the DDS rep or the, local field office by sending updates, medical updates, legal updates, changes, if that doesn't occur, then the SSA may not know to A, notify the rep or the claimant that they have in fact been denied, or B, and this one's pretty important, if the rep doesn't keep up to date with contact with them on this, then the rep can't use that as basically a defense to missing the 65 days and then putting it into a 4.911 subsection 7 and 9 letter to the SSA to prevent the SSA from claiming that, well, the claim is dead. If the representative, the law firm, continues to go forward in sending communications that shows the intent to continue the claim, and through that, you can prove basically that you didn't receive the notice and the claimant didn't receive the notice. When that happens, basically you go forward and you revive the claim. So that is the most scary and dangerous part of a disability appeal that can occur. And that's why you really want to hire a firm that does these claims all the time. That way they're within constant contact with the SSA. And I always recommend that you not go with one of those mega firms that's, the interstate yada yada, even though, we're getting closer and closer to that size kind of layout. The reason why is that there tends to be a lot of issues with those types of firms where basically, it's tough to keep a hand on all the different claimants and all the different, this and that and this and that and this and that. There's so many, it's hard to, as a company, keep an eye on everything. So what I usually recommend is that basically the person hires somebody that's local, understands their needs, and that they like, I always recommend hiring a local attorney. Hiring, one of those firms that has like one office in Florida and the grand majority of them are in Texas, in my opinion, that's never a good idea, because I don't feel that that's equivalent to having, a law firm that you can walk in and directly talk with the attorney right then and there. So I feel that there's a little bit of a difference there, and I think most people do. All right. My name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, in Orlando, Orange County Social Security Disability law firm. Now, if you have a unique question for your claim and you want the most up-to-date information, give me a call, walk you through it. And finally, if you want to go ahead and send me a question or something like that, go ahead and shoot me an email or do a phone call. Don't post it into the YouTube, Vimeo, or Daily Motion sections of these video players, because it's frankly really tough for me to get back to all those questions through this system. I'd much rather a detailed email with a fact pattern where I can give you a call and kind of walk you through it. All right? You have an absolutely wonderful day, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.